Hello and welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to make a detective game. This is the code, it's just this, and yeah, that's kind of it. You press space, it's like a story. You can go 3 slides and you can press on things, that actually, and here there are secret things and diary and all of that. Here this. You can grab water. Now it's in my inventory. You can go in here, phone. You can grab this. You can press on the phone and read everything. And you can use these items. So I'm gonna use this one to grab the light bulb. I now have the light bulb in my inventory. I'm gonna use the water to clean the windows. So I'm gonna press on the window. And yeah, I'm gonna use the lights to look under here. And I'll put all of this here, and here's the laptop. I press on it, I press on the laptop, and yeah, that's actually kind of it. Yeah, you just call this. It says like, you've cracked the case. Where is she now? Well, as answer, she is at the. Yeah, wait, I have my cap locks on. Caps lock. She's at the Redwood Hotel. That might be right. How did she get there? By bus. So just bus. What bus company? She got there by Will Bus Service. And like now I personally know everything. But like you can find all the answers. So you see here the Will Bus Service. So it's pretty logical that she got with bus, because on every one of these it said bus. So SA bus rates. Of SA USA bus rates. Okay, that sounded very sassy. But like, okay, like USA bus rates. She's gonna go with the bus, of course. I mean, why would she even not search that up then? So I'm gonna give you a tiny tutorial on how to make that. So first we go open Scratch. We let's see. Here we make a new one. It's really easy. We just delete the cat sprites. Well, I will like show you the code. Like, first I guess we're gonna make the backdrops. Like, it's very simple. If you wanna copy this, you can copy this. If you don't, the code will maybe incorrect for you, but it can actually work. So for me, I'm just gonna input all of this into my thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's actually pretty easy. So you're just gonna copy all of this, or try your own. I'll show you the sprites. You can, I guess, make a screenshot of it. Here, this one. This one's for the bed, chair, lamp, computer. This is pretty nice one. This is under the couch. When you don't have the oh wait. This is under the couch when you do have the light bulb. This is the trash can, which you could open. I didn't show it, but it does work. Here is the couch when you don't have a light bulb. Here's just silly textbook. And this is at the beginning, so when I start the game, it shows all of this and big story and shit. So this is the desk. You can copy this. You can copy this. This is the couch. This is the lamp, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, wait, did I show all costumes? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna show you all costumes. So you have this one, this lamp. I'll zoom out a bit, just so you can easily see it. This one you have. This one you have, and we already have this one. This is just the dresser. So firstly, it looks like this. This has to be costume 1. This is costume 2. You can, if you want to copy the items, you can put these two into it also. Yeah, it's pretty easy. And this one is for if they're out of it. This sprite is the bed. You can just leave it like this and not make it clickable. But I made it clickable, so when you click on the bed anywhere, it shows this diary. It's like pretty easy. And if you click again, it shows this. But you can also put your own item, and you don't have to add this. You can also add this if you want. You can also make it like add something to your inventory if you gotta make something yourself. This one is for, wait, what was this for again? I'm gonna check it real quick. Oh wait, I think it was for the window. Wait, no. Well, you can add it. Wait, I'm gonna check the code. Wait, it was. Huh? Wait, I don't even know where this one was. Because like it should actually. Oh wait, oh, I'm really dumb. So when you open this phone, you open this. This is the app, because this is the app that you can press. So here, this is. Oh wait, I'm gonna just show you this one. This one is the app. You can fit it right there. This is the phone when you don't press on the app. So look, you see it misses an app. This one is for when you press that one button, it just switches to this sprite and it hides this one. This is for the laptop for under the couch, and when you press on it, you open it. It shows this when you look. When I will grab it right now. Wait, yeah, I don't really have to, but I think you know what I mean by that, because like, so here, water, and I grab this lamp. Boom. Here, this is the first sprite. When I press on it, it shows this on the couch. This is just an apple that's also under the couch. This is I don't know. I guess like, wait, what was it? Like silly paper or something. I don't know. This is just a book. This is cola. This is a crayon. This is the trash bin. This is like the screwdriver or mascara. Yeah, my sister says mascara in it, but I saw it as a screwdriver. This is the glass of water. This is one of the books. You see here, it misses one book. This book is clickable, so you put it like in between here. It's clickable. It opens. Wait, that's right. It's not there. Here's the phone. Here's another one of the phone. I don't know why there's two of them, but there are. This is for at the end when it shows, oh, you've completed the game, huh? Yeah, this is also for the end. You solved the case. Thanks for playing. This is the light bulb. These are the windows, and these are. Wait, did I show all of this? Yeah, okay. These are the windows when they're dirty. These are the windows when they're cleared by water. And this is your inventory. So that's pretty easy, I guess. Yeah, it's just your inventory. You can press it, it opens this, and this is the sprite or costume or whatever it is for if it's opened. So that's pretty simple. Now I'm gonna, I guess, show you the code, because like it's really not that hard. It's basically just some of them are a bit different, some of them aren't. Look, this one, like desk, is very simple. Go to X. So when I receive start, there's so just make like here, make a new broadcast or make a new receive thing. When I receive start, go to X0, Y0. Forever if area equals reser / desk, then if it does, yeah, add it like show. Else, if it doesn't, just hide it. And when the green flags click, of course, hide. But I don't really think you have to add that, because like it's already. Oh no, wait, you do. Because the start, look, you have at the beginning here. This is the beginning, and right when you have did this, now it broadcasts start. You see, okay, look, now it's not lit here, but when I just do this and it'll wait, then it broadcasts the signal start on another sprite, and from this one it receives start, so it starts the forever loop. But like, yeah, that's just the code is pretty simple. You same here. It's like you have to. By the way, with the backdrops, you have to name them like this, otherwise the code will not work, and you have to have them in this order. But if you have your own sprites, you can just figure it out yourself. So yeah, that's actually pretty easy because some of them work with previous and next, and then it will just be all glitched out. I had that at the beginning, and it's like I didn't know how to fix it, but then I just saw that it kind of mattered which where they were. So yeah, that's actually it for this one. So you have when I receive starts, exactly the same with the name, with the area. Oh yeah, by the way, if you don't have the area variable, just make one. They're by the way for all sprites. And these are all for all sprites. So you can add this, you can pause the video right now. To make these sprites. Like it's pretty simple actually, they're just all for all the sprites. Variables of course. Here same code. But then we have on this one, when this sprite is clicked, if mouse X is under -16 and mouse X is over -142, then you have already like kind of the same code, but then it's switch and everything, and these mouse, it's like this one's mouse X, this one's mouse X, and this one's mouse Y, this one's mouse Y. So then you have to broadcast in your couch, so just make that. I'll just show you the backdrop code in a few minutes. Here's the lamp, this is the code. You can pause the video, I'm not gonna explain it all, it just works. Just make the variables if you need. Like they're all for all sprites, so that's pretty easy, let I say. Yeah, I'm going through the next one. Dresser, this one is just like pretty easy, it just costume should work. Pause the video, I'm also not gonna explain this. If you have to broadcast things, you can just add them. Here, this one's pretty simple. Yeah, this one's also, like this one's kind of harder than the bad one, but just pause the video. You can get it by yourself, I think. Here it's the phone. This one's kind of not really that complicated, but it will work, I guess. Well, yeah, I'm sure it works, but like more like if you pause video, it will work. Here is from the laptop. Oh wait, this code is in the other code. Yeah, it's like just pretty simple. You just yeah. So it's just like all the same code. Here it's like pretty easy code. Like same with this one. These are almost the same code. Like this one is like in. So you just make one for the apple and you drag them to this one, this one, this one, this one, and not this one, but like these other three. So you just you can drag them. If it's kind of shaking, you can just drag them in. They'll be in here now. It's duplicate, so I'm deleting them all. But like it's really easy, so you can just duplicate it because I think yeah, they're all the same code. This trash can, it's pretty easy. You just probably have to make this broadcast, but like it's for that matter almost the same code, because it broadcasts to the backdrop code from hey, this one is pressed. You should change the backdrop to trash can because otherwise it wouldn't be great. Here you have like the screwdriver or mascara or what you're gonna call it. It's like I would say it's pretty simple. You just set the variables, like, but you do have to make a new. Wait, I'm gonna check. Yeah, you do have to make a new variable. So I would check that for. Wait, I'm gonna check that real quick because I don't think I've made other. Oh, here is also variable show inventory. Oh no, wait, show is it? It's just show for this one. Oh wait, it's probably like pretty easy, but like yeah, okay. that actually, that's pretty simple. You probably already added it and forgot about it. And I don't know why this one's here, so I'm gonna delete that. But this is like pretty simple. It's just when the sprite's clicked, change some variables, hide and everything. Because like the water variable means that it's in your inventory. So if this one's pressed and the water variable is equal to 1, it's pretty simple because look, the water variable is 1, so it's gonna show it up in the inventory. So it's just gonna set its x and y to the inventory right here. Yeah, and yeah, this is actually it, like the show inventory and everything. And this is just the area, and this is the water. So like when you go back and forth in your area, it doesn't show the water again. You can grab it like a million times. Yeah, this is the book. It's just pretty simple code. This one is in here. You can, I guess you can, wait. Oh no. You can just duplicate this code if you want and just rename this to dresser desk. But you all have to add this because like I broadcasted it right now, and yeah, that actually. Here's the phone. This one is pretty hard, but I'm gonna give you some steps how to do this. Okay, it's kind of pretty easy. First, what you're gonna do is make a say block. So you're gonna do say and wait. So look, you make a new block named say. You also add this one. Wait, what was that again? String 1. Okay. Make a block. Say. Add this. String 1. This is very important. So you have this, right? You just copy this. So say string 1. String 1 is basically like, how am I gonna explain this? String 1 is basically just that what it says. Like you have to put something in here. So this, what if I let them say this here, it says this. That's kind of, you set this in here, and that is this variable. So every time you type something in here, it changes to this variable. And I don't know why I thought like that long of it. And just add this code. Well, you can copy this. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. It's just the say block like a holy lot of times. And yeah, that's actually, and just some text right over here, like with her parents and everything. I think you could pause the video and it will work. So look, this one is when the sprite is clicked. It means like when the thing, like, how do I explain it? You think you have the case done. You press on it, then it's gonna ask a question. Just say you've cracked the case, and then you're gonna press space. Then it's gonna ask where is she now. Then you have to answer this, and yeah, this actually, and then it says here at the end if it's wrong or not. And here it's pretty important to make a broadcast done, and all of your answers were sound very possible. We'll look more into it for 2 seconds, and then just done. And yeah, that's pretty easy. Yeah, this is the end screen, so you just have to make a fade in and fade out, which I would say personally I think it's pretty easy to do. I'm not gonna explain it because like you just name it fade in or fade out. Look here, fade in here, and then just make that, and you just add this code. So for fade in it's /4, for fade out it's -4. Well, here it's just done. It just has to say this, like fade out with 3 seconds and everything. Here you just set it to it for being invisible. Like that's pretty, I guess, logical. Here is just the end screen. It's like just when I see finally the actual real end, which you probably have to make. I don't know if it already was somewhere. Wait a few seconds and then just go to the front layer. Here you just when you receive start, light bulb. This one this one shows in your inventory. So yeah, that's actually it. This one just shows in your inventory. These are the windows. When the sprite click, if water equals 1, then switch costume to true. That basically means that if you have water in your inventory, so when it's clicked and you don't have water in your inventory, it doesn't do anything. But if you do have water in your inventory, it just switches to this costume with this hair with a note to self, which is pretty easy, I guess. This is just the same code repeated all over again, and this also. Here you have the inventory. I would say it's not that really hard. I'm get it all over here. Boom. And yeah, it basically checks if show inventory is already a 1 or 0, so it is actually yes or no. And then it's gonna switch to the corresponding costume. So at the beginning it says show inventory to 0. If show inventory equals 0, then switch to costume 2. Dus that means that it's open, you know. But if it's already open, just hide it. It's like that simple. Well, here's the backdrop code. I guess this was like not that hard. Just make sure, because like at the beginning I made this one the other side, you know. So like, yeah, that actually. It's pretty simple. You just make this like that and it will work. I'm gonna like leave my personal game in the description, so I guess if you want to copy anything or remix it, I don't really care. You just say that you got it from this video or like from me, like just put my user. My user is Ninjajuul. Here you can also see it in the corner. I would really appreciate that because like I really took like more than 10 hours or something to make this. And I'm really tired, but I want to make a YouTube video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. Yeah, well, you can copy this. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Yeah, well, I think I really find it surprising that if you're hearing this right now, you really watched the video like to the end, which is really surprising because like this is like 23 minutes of like a bare bone footage, which I'm not gonna edit, by the way. So yeah, thank you very much for even watching my video, because I wanted to make a video because like I really like making videos and shit. But like yeah, that actually, and yeah, I really didn't see any detective game tutorials, or maybe I looked wrong or anything. But like, yeah, that's actually it. That's why I make a tutorial on my actual video, because for a long time I really wanted to make like a detective game, but like I really didn't know how to do it. So I just actually just did it, and just I really didn't regret it. Regret it, because like I guess it was pretty fun to make, and it's like I but it's like so sad to see that I get like, I'm gonna see how many views I got, like 18 views. Like I'm happy and all, but like I don't really think this deserves 18 views actually. So if you would like or favorite or something my project, I would be really grateful. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.